Hi everybody, Sarah Louise here. So tonight I'm going to be talking about a new income stream that I have recently added to my collection. And I thought that because I'm getting so many emails from people asking me on Facebook what I'm doing, I thought it made more sense to do a live. I'm not here to pitch or sell, I'm literally here just to explain what it is that I do, so that for those of you that are interested but need a bit more clarification, then at least rather than me having to send like 100 individual messages, by me doing this video I can get out to an audience exactly what I'm actually doing to explain it in a bit more detail. So I'm just going to wait for a few more people to get on live and then I will make a start. Sorry I'm on later than I said I was going to be. I've got a problem with my phone charging up, so it's not charging very quickly, and obviously video canes the battery very fast, so new phone's on its way for me next week, which is great. So as soon as you can see me and hear me, if you can pop a note in the comment box below, and then once I know a few of you are on and you're on live, then I'll actually make a start. So I'm just going to wait for a few more people to connect. So I'm not sure if anybody can see me or hear me. There seems to be a big delay. I may have to start it again. Normally I have loads of comments coming through and there's like nothing, which makes me think there might be either a delay. Just wait for a few more people. I can see some comments coming through now. Hi everybody. So I'm just going to wait for a few more people to connect. So just while I wait for some people to connect, just want to share some excitement that's happened today. So as you know, I'm in multiple income streams and I'm not here to pitch or sell, but I like to share my successes and my story, as I'm very much an open book on Facebook. So as you will know, I'm in a high ticket business where I sell on online educational platform for want-to-be entrepreneurs or people that are already entrepreneurs and want to take their business to the next level. So my main day-to-day core business is helping those people get started to be able to take their career to the next level. So it's a high ticket business, and there's actually live events as well. So I'm going to the very first live event since I've joined this company, and it's a $12,000 level. So you get to go to a 3-day marketing mastermind in Florida, and you also get upgraded to the next level with the training as well. So I upgraded, which I was super excited about. So I've been using my commissions to upgrade myself and my career, but then by my team members seeing me do this, it's encouraged them to do the same. So in less than 7 days, I've had 2 team members now upgrade to the $12,000 level as well. So it just goes to show that you need to lead by example. If you want your team to do well, then you have to be shown that you're all in as well yourself. So you can't just have your toe dipped in and expect to profit from your team. You have to be leading your team and showing that you're fully committed to this business, that you want to scale it, you see the longevity in it, and then your team will feel the same. So I'm really excited to be going to Florida because I get to meet them face to face, but then I also get to meet everybody that's part of the business as well in Florida. And then we have 3 days marketing mastermind. And the best thing about that is I'm going to come home a completely different person. So I'm going to Vegas first for another 3-day marketing mastermind, and I'm getting to meet lots of people that I've been friends with for the last 5 months on Facebook. So I get to meet them all for the first time. If you'd have said to me 5 months ago, before I started out being an internet marketer, that I would be getting on a plane and flying to Vegas on my own to meet a group of strangers I've only known through Facebook, I would have laughed my head off and said no way would I be doing something so crazy. But what am I doing? I'm flying solo to go and meet them all in Vegas. I'm then flying on from there to Florida, and it's one of the best decisions I've ever made. So I know I'm going to come home from these 2 events a completely different person, ready to take my business to the next level. And this will help anybody that's in any of my teams, because I'm in 6 different businesses. So anything I learn is then passed on to every single team. So this live tonight is to give you information about the crypto business that I've just joined. So I hold my hands up. I am not a cryptocurrency expert, nor do I state that I am. I'm here to reassure you that me as a newbie can guide you as a newbie to show you that it's very, very simple to earn money in cryptocurrency. So the business itself, I'm not here to try and pitch it. I'm not here to try and sell you it. I'm just trying to save me having to answer hundreds of messages of people inboxing me. And I thought if I just do a genuine video to explain what I've been doing, my success so far, then you can just see what I am actually doing, and then it's down to you if you want to join or not. But I'm not here to try and persuade you. I'm just here to try and explain. So how it works is it's a cryptocurrency, and it is a passive income, which means that we earn money daily without having to actually work in the business itself. So you can join this business and you don't have to recruit anybody. You can just put a sum of money in and you will earn 1 to 2% profit daily. So how it works is we buy Bitcoin, which is a currency. We put the Bitcoin into a website called BitConnect. And then from there, we transfer it from a Bitcoin currency into a BitConnect currency. And then we do an option which is called lending. So we then lend our BitConnect coins back to the company, and then they trade with those coins with robots. So rather than actual people, it's all done by robots automatically. So our money is locked in for a duration of time, depending on how much we invest. There's 5 different levels, depending on how many days your money's going to go in for. And then every single day, we are then released 1 to 2% profit every single day back into our internal wallet. Now from there, you can withdraw that back out to your cryptocurrency wallet and spend it. It's yours to do what you want with it. Or once it gets to $100, you can reinvest it back into the company. So I've been in the company now for 2 weeks, and I've now got 14 lends because every day I've earned over $100, which has enabled me to then do another lend again and another lend again. So for example, I've got people in my team now that are investing anything from $1,000, $10,000, some of them like $50,000. We've got a lady in the team that's done like 80K, scaling up to 100,000. There's big, big figures, but the thing is you don't have to start with that. You can start with just $1,000. But the thing is you don't have to know anything about cryptocurrency. I guide you the whole setup. So I show you where to get your wallet from. I show you how to buy your Bitcoin. I guide you either on the phone if you need me or on email how to get set up. I show you how to do the investment, how to do the lend. And then every day, all you have to do then is just check what's coming into you. So you can see all your little profits coming in. You can see exactly what percentage you were paid in. It's all there, black and white. So I'm the kind of person where I'm very, very clear. I never try and lure people into a business thinking that, once you're in, you need to find out. I'm very, very black and white. I'll always say how much it is to join. I'll always say how much it is, how much you can make daily. And the thing is with this business, if you do want to recruit, it's also optional, but you will actually make 7% on anybody that you recruit into the business. So for example, you could join at $1,000 and you could sign somebody up that wants to join at say $10,000, and the same day you would earn $700 in commission. So you would get 7% of that 10K. So you've only put $1,000 in, but it means that straight away you could earn $700 like that. And I know it because I'm doing it myself. So you don't have to, it's not like a traditional MLM where you've got to be at a certain level to make money from that certain level. With this, you just invest your own money. But if you want to grow a big team, you can scale your money up super, 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 super fast. So I'm recruiting daily because I love this business. It's super, super easy. The thing is it's so simple to run alongside my main core businesses, which is my educational programs. It's super, super simple to do. And I don't really know much about cryptocurrency at all, but I'm here to reassure you that it's not what you know, it's who you know. And my mentor has earned millions online in cryptocurrency. So when he told me about this opportunity, as long as I understood what I needed to do, my main skills are relationship building on Facebook, obviously recruiting, managing my team, helping them. So that is my skills. So to join this business, I didn't need to be skilled in cryptocurrency at all. I just needed to know how to be able to invest my money and then how to grow my team. So this is why I wanted to do this video, to show you guys that you don't need to be a cryptocurrency expert. People don't have to ask all the questions before they want to join a business. So this is why I say to people that if you are interested to get into cryptocurrency, but you don't know much about it, then please reach out to me, because I'm going to show you just how simple it is. And once you join the team, we're all joined together in one big Facebook group. So there's nearly 100 members. And so far as a team, we're already making $20,000 a week in sales. That's how much our team's on fire. And I'm very, very proud to be part of such an awesome team in such a short space of time. So I've only been in it for 2 weeks, and it's been an amazing 2 weeks, because every single person that joins, you start to make a profit within 24 hours. So after you've invested your first amount of money, you can only invest once if you want to. You don't have to invest again. You might want to just put 1,000 in or 10,000 and then that's it, and literally just sit on it. That's absolutely fine. You may never ever want to recruit. You may just want to put a chunk of money in. Again, that's absolutely fine. But within 24 hours of funding, you're going to start to get your profits. So every day you're going to get a payout, and then the next day, then the next day, then the next day. There's not many businesses out there that can say, join my team and you'll make a profit in 24 hours. And this isn't a scam. There's no lure, there's no pyramid scheme. It is genuinely available to everybody and anybody. And the good thing is because you fund it with Bitcoin to start with, then it opens up to a lot more countries around the world, because obviously Bitcoin is now very popular. People can have a wallet with Bitcoin even if they don't have a bank account. So I'm able to help people now worldwide to generate money that they may not be a great marketer. They may never want to do a Facebook Live. They may never want to market on Facebook. But yet with this, they can still make really, really good money. And it's very rewarding to me in here, knowing that by me sharing this opportunity, my team are just all ecstatic. Every single day we have a private Facebook group, and then I have a private Facebook Messenger group, and the energy in the group is just amazing. Everybody's just buzzing off everybody, and it's great to be part of such an awesome team. So there's not really anything else to explain about it, but if you want to find out more or you're interested, by all means pop me a message in Messenger and I'll get back to you. But I just wanted to do this video just to say it's really not complicated at all. You don't have to trade, you don't have to understand the figures, you don't have to even watch your money. You can literally just go and enjoy yourself. It's like the other day I went out shopping, I went out for a meal, and I'm still making money because some of my team upgraded to more money. So I got an extra 7% from them. Yet I was out having a 3-course champagne lunch with my friends and shopping, and obviously logged in to check my balance at the end of the day, and I was like, wow, there's like over $500 there, and I hadn't even done any work. And that happens very rarely. You normally have to really hustle hard for your money, as you know, but with this you don't. So it enables you to start living a lifestyle that you want. It gives you the time freedom to do what you want, because you're earning money while you're asleep. You're earning money while you're out doing things with your friends and family. So I just wanted to share this opportunity with you, but I'm going to leave it there. And thanks very much for watching, everybody. And I'm going to go back in and read the comments. Speak to you later. Bye.